welcome back to my channel. This is Fatz Bicolana, guys. So I really miss you all, and then hi, nice to see you again, everyone. And then, by the way, guys, I'm here. I just arrived here in the apartment. Yeah, just to relax again. Yeah, I just arrived here now, guys. So yeah, I'm just been busy. I'm just busy. The moment that together with my parents, I enjoyed it, guys. And then yeah, I'm just happy. And then yeah, and now we are here facing in front of you again, guys. So anyways, so yeah, hi, welcome back to me. Yes, guys, and then I have foods that I brought here, so I will show it to you guys. But before that, I just want to show with you also my outfit. I love my outfit. I wish you love it also. Yes, guys, nothing. I just want to share it with you guys, show it with you. So this is my outfit, guys. Oh my god. Oh, it's nice. I like it. By me. Oh, oh. See, I love it, right? It's just simple, but you know, guys, I love simple, right? Simple. So yes, guys, I will show you my foods that I brought here. So let's do this. So we have two eco bags here, guys, and then by the way, the key, and then yeah. So I have my bread here, pandesal. So yeah, from Gardenia. Okay, and then we have Charms cheese rings, and then what else? Super crunch, my favorite snack while watching Netflix, right? So, what is this? Oh my god. What is this? Nugget. It's guys, flat, flat, flat. Yeah. I'm just buying. I like it. Simple and yeah. And so, let's use it here. So, okay. Wait. Ah! So, yeah. Size 8 nga pala ko, guys. Malaki ang tako. So, ito na siya. Ayan. Diba? Ayan. So, I got it also. And then, dito na lang natin gagamitin natin. Okay. And then, my mineral water. Ayan, guys. Mineral water. Ayan, Wilkins. And then, what else? Chocolate. I just got some, guys, because I give it to my nephews. So yeah, Trixie chocolate. It tastes good, guys. So by the way, I'm hungry. Ah! So let's eat. Ano ba yan? Ay, naku, dahil. So because I'm hungry, let's eat one Trixie chocolate. I can't find it. Very good. And then Kali, sparkling pineapple drink. Cup noodles. Apple. And then this one, Argentina giniling. What else? This one also, my favorite. Latik. And then I think That's all, guys. White. And then water. So, yun lang, guys. So, katulad nga guys ng sabi ko, kakarating ko lang din ulit dito sa apartment. So, nakidlip po ako guys kasi napagod po ako sa biyahe. And then, ngayon po ay liligpitin ko lang yung aking hinigaan. And then, kain na po ako. So, tara. Yan lang naman yung ganap natin ngayon guys. So, yun. Kaya, umuwi talaga ako sa amin. And thanks for watching guys. I just update you and then bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Bye. I love you po. Mwah.